To enable mobile hotspot on the Samsung Z Fold 8, open System Settings, navigate for Connections, and right now just scroll down into the mobile hotspot and tethering. When you open this one, you can open the mobile hotspot and click on the switcher to turn it on. Below, what you can find, the name of your network. If you want to change it, you can for sure do this. The same with a password. You can even change band. But remember that if you set for 5 or 6, some devices won't connect. It's the 2.4 is actually the most compatible. And also we can change the security level. What I can recommend you to even go with the WPA3 or WPA3 personal / WPA2. And you can also find some other options with MAC address type. You can also turn off when there's like no devices connected. You can hide its name. You can enable Wi-Fi 6 support. There's also the power saving mode, so it will actually reduce the battery usage by analyzing our mobile hotspot traffic. So if you want to keep performance at the best possible level, you will have to turn off the power saving mode. And now after you set up everything, you will have to click save.